Hello everyone and welcome back to another lesson of the Arabic language. Today we're going to talk about the Arabic pronunciation lesson number 4. So we're going to continue what we were talking about pronouncing the Arabic letters properly. Okay, so in the last 3 lessons we learned how to pronounce the Hamza, Alif, Ain, Ha, Ha, Kha and Ghain. And the last lesson was about the Dal and Dad. And today, you've guessed it, it's about the Ta and Ta. Another pair that's the only difference between these two is the heaviness of the sound. And in Arabic language, it's actually very... You will find different pairs that the only difference is the heaviness of pronunciation. So this one is ta. The letter ta in Arabic is pronounced as English T. Ta. So it's either ta, tu, or T. This one is the letter ta. Ta. And the pronunciation is either ta, tu, or ti. Ta, tu, or ti. What's the difference? Again, is the heaviness. This one is ta, and this one is ta, and I don't know what's the equivalent in English, or how would we write that in Roman letters, but it's definitely not a th this time. So I'll just make it different. Okay. So what's the difference? We said that's the heaviness. So basically, instead of saying a, we say o. Instead of a, we say o. So instead of saying ta, we say pa, pa, pa. So it's not the first letter. These two letters at the beginning, they start as if it's a t, as if it's a ta. But then what's the difference is how you pronounce the vowel that comes after it. It's a, in case of we go fatha, we say ta, and here we say ta. So again, this is ta, 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 or tu, tu, ti, tli. So just as I said in the last lesson, it's just about the heaviness of the vowel that you pronounce. So it's ta and ta. Now let's see how does it sound with the other vowels. In case of dhamma, we say tu. Okay. And here we say tu. 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 Okay. So the difference is again is the heaviness of the O here. Here is pronounce it as tu. Tu. Here pronounce it as tu. Tu, tu, Now I'm sounding like a monkey. Yeah, I know. Anyways, tu and tu, and u. Again, it's just a heavy o. So, if we continue and take the last case where it's a kasra and it's a t. Here it's T, and here it's T. And I don't know, I'll just maybe add something like this, or maybe get a weight to make it heavy anyway. T and T, T, and T. So the light one, this one is T, this one is T, 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 T. So it's also again the difference of pronouncing the E in a heavier fashion. Instead of saying E, you say E. So instead of saying T, you say T. Okay? I hope that's clear. Also check the previous lesson because it has more explanation about the heaviness and stuff. I spent a lot of time on that lesson on explaining what do I mean by heavy. So now let's, as usual, take the letter, pair it with another letter, and see how the pronunciation happens. So I'm gonna read it in this kind of direction. So this one is ta, tak, ta, tak, ta, tak, ta, tak. Okay, this one is tu, tuk, tu, tuk, tu, tuk, tu, tuk, ti, tik, ti, tik, tli, tik, tli, tik. Now, if you cannot, actually, I hope you first you hear the difference between tak and tok, tuk and tuk, tik and tik. And the other thing is, if you never understood which the heaviness part, well, I hope this example might clarify my point. Let's read them as a group horizontally. This will be like tak, tuk, tik. The second group will be tok, tuk, tik. First group, tak, tuk, tik. Second group is tok, tuk, tik. And to remember the heaviness kind of issue, this is as if it's a clock and it's ticking. Tak, tuk, tik, tak, tuk, tik. The second one is kind of, let's say someone is knocking on the door, or a hammer. It's a pluck, tuk, click, pluck, tuk, click. Okay, so it's a heavy sound. The other one is a light sound. It's like cluck, tak, tuk, tick. So again, I hope it's clear. Now it's time to have some vocabulary and see how do we pronounce it in normal words. So تفاحة, تفاحة, تفاحة. Okay, that's a lousy apple. تفاحة means an apple. Okay, تفاحة, تفاحة, تفاحة. شتاء, شتاء, it's winter. That's the current season that we are in. شتاء, winter. بيت, بيت, بيت means a house. طريق, طريق, طريق is a road. A road, you know, with cars. طريق. Also, it's actually any path. A path is طريق. Okay. طريق is a path or a road. قطار, 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 قطار. قطار is a train. Okay. And the last one is بط, 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 بط. That's a duck. So quack quack. بط. So تفاحة, شتاء, بيت. طريق, قطار, بط. Okay, that's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. Until next time, take care and see you next lesson.